students, this is the second part of our first poem, The Pulley, which is written by George Herbert. So, in this part, we are going to learn the poem, the actual poem from its first line. Now, listen carefully. When God at first made man, this is the first line, that when God made man on this earth, having a glass of blessing, standing by. What is the meaning of standing by? Stand by, it means be ready. So stand by, it means be ready. When God at first made man, having a glass of blessings, be ready. Let us, said he, pour on him all we can. Pour, it means to cause, to flow. So here, in these first three lines, the poet George Herbert said that when God first made man on this earth, that time he had a glass of blessings, be ready to pour on all the people, to all the men. He wanted to bless everything, every person, every single people on this earth. God wanted to give his blessing to everyone. He had his blessings ready. Next line. Let the words riches. Riches, it means wealth, property, money. Let the words riches which dispersed, it means dispersed, it means scattered. Dispersed lies contract. Now here the meaning of contract, it means contract, it means shrink. Into a span. Span, it means a fixed amount of space. A fixed amount of space which an object takes up. So in these two lines, the poet George Herbert says that lets the words riches which dispersed lies contract into a span. So all the riches, all the property, money on this earth, which is a lie, and that is scattered, that we can see everywhere in everyone's mind. Everyone is trying to just earn more and more money, and to collect for more and more riches, more and more property, money, people's means having the time, the period, the span that is very short. The period is very contracted. Next line. So strength first made a way, then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. When almost all was out, God made a stay, perceiving that. Perceive, it means to gain knowledge of something through the senses of mind. Perceiving that alone of all his treasure rest in the bottom lay. So here, first God made strength in men. After that came beauty, then God gave beauty to everyone. Then after that gave wisdom, intellectual mind to everyone. After that there was the honor. Everyone thinks that he is honorable person and everyone should give honor to me. Then pleasure. Then everyone started to feel pleasure, happiness. When almost all was out, when from that glass of blazing, which was the God was having and pouring all the peoples, when everything was poured out, that time God made us stay. God stopped for a few minutes, perceiving that. Then God started to think carefully about everything. Alone of all his treasure rest in the bottom layer. So, whatever the treasure of a blazing the God was having in that glass of a blazing, so the treasure main thing is resting at the bottom of that glass. So, in this way, this part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.